We have Wendy Wass back with our first alert weather. Hi,
Can
Wendy.
you believe how beautiful it was today?
Peaceful.
Yes,
warm,
peaceful.
but not too warm.
No, and it's because there was low humidity, and it was just compared to yesterday. Yesterday was absolutely brutal, wasn't it? By comparison, we saw those temperatures back up in the 80s, and we saw the rain all the way around. So now today it was an absolutely gorgeous day, and this is what it's looking like right now. So we're going to take a look, and you can see 76 was our daytime high. That is comfortable for most people, especially if the sun is out. And overnight was 60 degrees. So 63 and 81 is normal for us, a little lower than normal, but still very comfortable around the region. And dew points, once again, our heroes here, because we're looking at dew points that are in the 40s and 50s, keeping things very comfortable across the northern and central part of the state. Down to the south, though, we're looking at temperatures in the 70s, and these are the dew point temperatures in the 70s, and that's where it's very sticky still. That's where that cold front moved on down, and it is stuck there for now, but it's going to be rising back as a warm front, and we're going to start to see some changes in our forecast beginning tomorrow afternoon. So right now, we're looking at readings in the 50s to our north, 60s across most of our viewing area, and some 70s as well, especially as we move on down to the south. But you can also see across the southeast and Key West, we've got temperatures very close to that 80-degree mark. And right here, we're looking at temperatures mostly in the low 70s. And of course, once the sun sets, and it should have set by now, we are looking at much cooler temperatures for tonight, getting down into the 60s once again. But it's going to be very comfortable tonight. It's going to be tomorrow when we're going to start to see those changes coming on through. So temperatures down to our south a little bit warmer than they are over the northern counties, but as you can see, the winds are coming in out of the northeast, and they're calming down to 5 to 8 miles per hour, and we're going to see that throughout the nighttime hours. What we've got right now are the temperatures are forecast to go back up into the 80s for daytime highs tomorrow, and we are going to be seeing those temperatures dropping down into the 60s once again for tonight. But here's the cold front, and you can see it's really produced a great deal of cloudiness across the southern part of the state, and some of those clouds have crept up into our viewing area. We've been experiencing that throughout the day. We've seen a couple more clouds coming on through the picture, and you'll notice that the movement of this rain is starting to move towards the north. So we're going to start to see those showers coming on through, and that will develop during the latter part of the day. As this system continues to move on up to the north, that's when we'll start to see these showers coming in. We're expecting our rains primarily taking place mostly during the afternoon hours, and then what we've got is that over the next couple of days we're going to start to see a series of fronts moving across the country, and by next weekend we're going to start to see more rain back in the forecast as a result of another front that's going to come sweeping on in here. So that's how things are going to be shaping up. We can see that the snow and the icy conditions are going to stay well to the north, and of course we don't have to worry about anything like that. But here's our rain showers right now. Just a couple are located offshore, but nothing that we have to be worried about, at least not for tonight, so that's good news. And for the rest of this weekend, we are looking at a 60% chance of those showers coming on through. Don't forget to set your clocks back, fall back tonight, and then we are looking at temperatures that will stay in the mid-80s for the rest of the forecast period, and we'll see the rains coming back into our forecast next weekend.